going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad's Food Cooking, and we're making pizza. Short, simple, to the point. I'm making pizza. The pizza's from my mom, because one of her favorite things that I make, and she just hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm about to hit 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm blown away. I'm so happy for her, so proud of her and all that she's done. So I want to make her something special. Jerry and the kids are on the way to the store right now to go get her a 100K balloon. And that way we have it all set up for her. So I'm going to make one of her favorite things that I make, which is pizza. For her, she's out and about today. So I figured this will be perfect setup for them later. So come with me as I make my mom a 100K subscriber pizza. I want about 2 cups of water. We're going to pop this in the microwave. That's in the microwave. We're going to prepare our yeast to get it to activate, to rise. I got a little bit of salt, my yeast, my flour. Pizza dough, simple, easy, and I mean, it's not hard. If you have a mixer, you can mix it this way. The same way, if you have a bread machine, you just dump and go. Bread machine makes it super easy, super convenient, and you just dump and go. It's not hard. For a single individual pizza, it's going to be 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons and a half of yeast, and a pinch of salt or a teaspoon of salt. You don't want your water too hot because it will kill the yeast, and warm enough to wake it up. So we're going to pour our yeast into our warm water, and we're going to let it sit. We're saying, hello yeast, it's time to wake up. So, and that means they're going to be hungry. They're going to want food. So, yeast loves sugar. So, I'm going to sprinkle some sugar in there. And then just kind of mix it up. And we're going to set our timer for about 10 minutes for that yeast to rise. Now my flour with my bread machine, I'm just going to add my flour on in to my bread machine. And I'm doing a double batch. Okay. Thank you so much, every single one of y'all. 3,000 subscribers I'm coming up on. My mom just hit 100,000 subscribers. Blown away. Absolutely. I'm on a year and a month on YouTube at this point. And y'all have been so nice and so grateful and so kind to me. And I greatly appreciate it. I've come a long way, I think, from watching my first video to my now videos. In the quality, the sound, the lighting, and just trying to make overall good content for y'all on stuff that is more realistically based on what my family's going to eat, what my kids are going to eat, what your family might eat, and just trying things outside my comfort zone. And that's been the big one. This morning and told me about the 100,000 subscribers, and I was yelling pickled pink for, and she was the one that taught me into doing YouTube and doing my channel, and I couldn't be more happier for her, more grateful for her. So I got it selected to dough, and I'm just going to incorporate this on in, and all we do is hit the start button. I do have some Italian seasoning I'm going to pour in as well. And then some, of course, oregano. Now this process will take an hour and 30 minutes because I'm using my bread machine, but this will also make the dough rise over the time. We'll separate it, let it rise, and go from there. So it's however you want to do it. You can mix it, it's fine, or you can do it by the bread machine. I just figured I'd use the bread machine to make my life a little easier. Finally risen. And it's quite nice. And I gotta separate it. It's plump. Very plump. So we're gonna go ahead and press this into our pan, and then we're gonna let it sit for like another hour and let it rise in the pan before we start adding our stuff in. All right, pizza. The dough has risen. Sauce. With the pizza, we are going to bring it over. I'm going to wrap this up, and then later on bring it over to their house so they can cook it at home whenever they want to. So I got the pizza. We got balloons in the boot of the truck. I should have thought of that yesterday when I was driving because they kept bouncing in my head. But that's beside the point. We're on the way to my mom's house to give her said balloons. We got a card for her because she hit 100,000 subscribers, and we're all very thrilled for her.
Got me balloon for you.